Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do all to click on that subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting this coming week right on our gold. So let's start with the trend. First thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see, this was the previous trend on our gold. We were in a downtrend move. This was the previous trend. We were in a downtrend move, right? Now, if you take a look at this, market got to a rejection zone, which is this zone right here. Market has gotten to this zone whereby we first added this rejection, right? The market bounced up, it eventually came back again to tap this zone, which gave us a multiple rejection at this zone, which made market to bounce up. Now market has now dropped back again to tap this level. We had the first rejection, which made market to bounce up. Now this is another tap that market has given us. It has come to tap it, so we should be expecting another rejection from this level that will eventually make market to bounce up. So this is to tell you that a rejection at this bottom zone is what we should be expecting for the week. So we should kind of be anticipating for some kind of like a bullish move, a little bullish move on our gold this coming week. Now let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame right here. So this is it right here on our 4-hour time frame. Market has given us this movement, which is a reversal pattern, which you can see as your double bottom, whereby market first drop, it rejected, bounced up, then came back again to retest it. Now with this retest, market has given us, we will be expecting a rejection that eventually push up to take out this neckline right here. So markets push bounce up to take out this neckline. So with that movement, we should expect a pullback and then one more push up again. So basically a bullish move is what we should be expecting on gold. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates, like and share also.